Bonnie, happy Saturday. I am back. Oh my goodness, you guys, the weather today. Rain, thunder, lightning, flooding. I've been through it all. I went grocery shopping. I ran some errands. I tried to go to Bath and Body Works, but the lightning was like way too intense when I was at the mall. So I'm like, nah, I think I'll pass on the mall today. So I'm actually going to do my shopping now because I just got one of those free shipping on 25 offers. So I think I'm going to get a couple of the body butter, moisturizing body wash, and scrub deals. We're going to talk a little bit about that. It ends tomorrow morning at like 6:30. I don't know, how late's your store open? Mine closes at like 7 or 8 now, so I cannot get in there. I'm also going to talk about the Renewing Meadow Walk, which is Rose Magnolia, and the Relaxing Midnight Sky, which is the Chamomile Patchouli. These are really pretty. Look how pretty they look with my fall pink shirt. I'm like digging these. So, if you haven't heard yet, Bath and Body Works is doing a $6.95 sale today only on the body butter, the moisturizing body wash, and the scrubs, which is a phenomenal deal because these are good. Oops, I just dropped it. I got it. Okay, here I am. And the scrubs. These are all getting out of control pricey. Here's one, champagne, apple, and honey, only $16.50. Scrubs are now $17.95. So this is definitely the day. If you want to get some scrubs, get them today. If you want to get body butter, this is the new Coco Shea, which I actually like. Get it today. Coco Shea always smells really good. Vetiver vanilla in the body butter, the new Chasing Fireflies. There's a couple of different scrubs. There's the creamy formula, which is Chasing Fireflies. There's the foaming sugar scrub, which is champagne, apple, and honey. And then, of course, there's the aromatherapy scrubs, the shea sugar. Those are wonderful. Also some Moxie products. But again, this is a really nice stock up day. So I want to talk about two different products. Number one, I had no idea that we had moisturizing body wash and aromatherapy. I might pick one of those up in the Relaxing Midnight Sky. So I got this. This one is actually the body wash and foam bath, which I like. I use these a lot. These are wonderful. I love the packaging. This looks so Halloweenish. Chamomile patchouli. This is the vitamin E aloe formula. And it smells really good. I love this one. It's like, it's a put you to sleep patchouli. That's what I'm going to call it. It's a put you to sleep patchouli. Oh my gosh. This is so relaxing. You get the chamomile, which is totally relaxing. But then you get this burst of patchouli. And I feel like they mix really well. This is actually a good one for fall, and I like the packaging. It's super fun and sparkly. And then the other one is the Renewing Meadow Walk, which is the Rose Magnolia. This is the vitamin E, aloe, and shea butter in the body lotion. Now, these aren't on sale today, obviously, the body lotion. I gotta say, I love these bottles. I mean, these feel like $16.95. Only $16.95 and you get the glass bottle. It's so amazing to me that these are so pretty. You get the glass bottle, but you're paying like a lot more for the other stuff. It's kind of weird. So this is a pump. I love the pump. I always love the pump. It takes a while to get started here. I actually did it the old-fashioned way. When I tried this, I unscrewed it because I couldn't get the lid off the pump. You know how like sometimes the lid won't come off? I finally got the lid off the pump. So this one, it smells like spring. It's actually really nice. I gotta say, I like the Rose Magnolia. It's beautiful. It just smells more, you know, like that Mother's Day, early spring. I get a little rose. I always loved Magnolia. Magnolia is gorgeous. I don't know. This is like just the perfect blend. It's funny. When I first smelled this on the bottle, I wasn't sure I liked it, but then I used it and I'm like, oh my gosh, it's wonderful. This is going to be a nice, I think, favorite for spring. I'm really surprised they didn't bring this out for Mother's Day because it's definitely like a Mother's Day type of scent. I like the bronze on the lid. These would make really good Christmas gifts. So I'm digging both of the new aromatherapy, actually. So again, consider picking up a couple of these things. If you're, low on product. It's funny, the eucalyptus spearmint is only $15.50. I think it's the old packaging. I'm actually putting it in my cart right now. The water hydration body butter. I want to get the water body butter. And then what else do I want? I think I'm definitely getting the moisturizing body wash in the chamomile patchouli. So I'm going to get that. And then what else should I get? I'm thinking about getting the Fireflies Creamy Body Scrub. It's in the cart. I got it, you guys. That's a yes. I'm going to get the Champagne Apple and Honey because I want to review that one. I really like that one too. What am I at? I want to go to like 25. Let me see. What am I at? I am at free shipping on 25 has been applied. Yay! I got my free shipping. Oh my gosh, you guys. Okay, I can't use the free shipping. This is really annoying. I gotta say, Bath & Body Works, this is really frustrating because I have to remove the free shipping in order to do the fresh skin code. Bath & Body Works seriously needs to allow us to do 2 codes. I think we are getting to the point now where this is just becoming like a huge hindrance to people buying product. What's the code? It is fresh something. What did I just? Oh, fresh skin. Let me do this. So if I do this, my bill is $91. It's going to go down to $38. But now I'm kind of wondering if I even want to do this because I have to pay $7 for shipping. I don't know. I'm just annoyed with the shipping right now. I might still get it. I might wait. It's funny. There's a couple of things I want. I won't mind getting the Champagne Apple and Honey, but I don't know if I want them that bad to pay the $6.99 for shipping. It's funny. Normally, I don't mind paying the shipping, but the fact that they gave me the free shipping code and then they took it away. It's really annoying. Oh, Bath & Body Works. So anyway, let me know if you're shopping the sale. I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.